Hello and welcome to the Whirly Bloke channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick fix to stop you breaking VTX antennas on your Diatone GT2. When I reviewed the latest 2017 model of the GT2 a few months ago, I made the point that Diatone had maybe missed a trick in their VTX antenna mount. I think it's actually pointing the wrong way. It should point downwards, and that way you're much less likely to damage it when you crash. This rather nice anodised VTX antenna mount is an evolution of the one that's used on the original GT2 200 Crusader, and it puts the antenna at this jaunty angle which really suits the low profile design of the GT2. And if you're using the Aomway circularly polarised antenna that Diatone supplied, it's not too bad and it just about clears the props. Even so, if you crash inverted, it easily gets broken. And if you want to use something like this TBS Triumph antenna, you're going to have to bend it up to clear the props. Otherwise it's just going to smash into there. And if you want to use a stubby, you've got no chance. This will just hit the props all the time. So my quick fix is to use a 45-degree SMA adapter and point the antenna downwards. I found it doesn't really make any real difference to the video reception, and it means the antenna is well out of the prop line. Or if you want to be a bit more extreme, you can use a 90-degree adapter. Either way, because it's angled down, the antenna is well clear of the props. I'll leave links in the description to the ones I've used, but remember you'll need to use the SMA male to SMA female version of the adapter. And I'm not saying you'll never break another antenna again using this fix, but I haven't had a prop smash an antenna since I've done the mod on my original GT2 as well as the new 2017 model. If you found that useful and want updates, please like and subscribe to the channel down here. It really does help me make better content for you. And if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. I'll see you next time.